Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are gonna be looking at something absolutely interesting. Okay, I do want to say thank you to all of you who actually support my YouTube channel. Thank you for the likes. Totally appreciate it. Thank you for the comments as well. I do really appreciate it, okay? Alright, so today I've got something interesting to talk to you guys about. Now, if you're a front-end developer, um if you're a developer in general, and you just want to get designs, you want to build a new project, probably a portfolio website, it doesn't really matter whatever it is, and you need the designs, you do not need to, and you don't actually want to, again, wait for your design team to actually come up with something for you. If you tried out Figma's community, it's right there. You do want to check out what's there. Beautiful stuff. Probably you've checked it out before, probably you've not checked it out before, but you do want to check it out, alright? So here we are. I mean, literally you could search for anything you want here, right? But let's say you come over here. So if you just go to figma.com/community, it's gonna take you here, and if we come over here, we're gonna see design resources, and look at that. You see UI kits. You see wireframes, right? So you could have design templates. You could have desktop applications and websites, mobile apps, portfolio templates, resume templates, assets, illustrations, icons, shapes and colors. Now, alright, let's just take a look at a few things here, alright? Right, so first things first, I'm gonna take a look at what we've got here. So I'm gonna open these up. Let's see the portfolio templates. Just open that up in another tab. And let's see others. So actually let's come over here. So if I actually go to plugins, pretty wonderful, yeah. You can see editing and effects. You can see file organization. You can see development. You can see widgets. Beautiful stuff here. So if I wanted to open, let's say I'm gonna open this up, development. Okay, I don't want to open it here. I just want to have this one here, and okay, so I'm gonna do that. Right, there we go. Okay, now it wants to verify. Alright, so I literally just opened this other one. So what's that? It was portfolio templates. Let's check that one out. So take a look here. We've got loads of templates. I'm not quite sure if we've got a lot here, but let's take a look. I'm gonna load more because I really want to see how much we've got here on the platform. Alright, you can still load more. It's pretty alright. That's good. Alright, but I mean, if you wanted to design a website, like you wanted to code up a website as a developer, and you're not quite sure how you want it to look like, I mean, you're a front-end developer, you not a UI UX designer, are you? Except you are, you could be a front-end developer and a UI UX designer, right? Of course, you can be the both at the same time. But if you're not, and you just want to get order-made templates out there, design templates that you can code up, why not go for it, alright? Because like when I created my first portfolio website way back in the day, I thought about how I wanted everything to look like, I'm not quite sure if I did really use, like look out for design templates and stuff like that. So if you've got a platform like this that actually gives you 3 templates that you can use. Go for it. Right, I showed you guys another one about a landing folio. You do want to check that one out as well. Right, so over here, look at that one. Let's open it up and see what we've got there. Right, I'm gonna open it up in Figma. Let's see what we've got. Alright, so this is this, and over here, let's see others. We've got really beautiful things here. Right, here's another one. Here's another one. I mean, you could just scroll and, pick the one you want to go with. Right? Yup. Okay. Right, it's almost open. Okay, so here is a cover. Let's go over here and I'm gonna go to the web page and see what's there. Okay. Okay, so look at that. Absolutely amazing. Really cool. So over here we've got a hero section, we've got this section. So I'm just gonna do this. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. I'm gonna make this full screen. Let's see what we've got. So we've got the navigation menu bar there, and then we have the hero section worked with. That's beautiful. We got case studies there, really nice. And okay, that's good. Right, what font is that? So look at that. We got these components. It's reusable, of course. Just changing the position left, the image to the left, and this other card to the right and stuff like that. Pretty basic, but it's alright. Here's another one. Beautiful testimonial. Then the recent work that could be, your projects. Absolutely amazing. So, I mean, it may not look a lot, but you could go with it, right? Why not? So this is one. Let's look at another one. So I'm gonna, take these back. Okay, so let's see others. Now, those are, over here we looked at, are we still there? Yeah, portfolios. So you could go check them out for yourself and pick whatever you want. But let's go look at something else. So I'm gonna close this one. Close it as well. So if it's fine with you, just get right into it, and you're definitely gonna have access to, the colors, everything, the color codes and all of that, all the beautiful stuff. All right, so over here, what do we want to check out right now? Still with the templates, the portfolio templates. We want to close that one. So if I come over here and let's take a look. So let's see what we've got here. Mobile apps. I know I did open this one up. We're gonna look at that one a little bit. All right. So let that one open. All right. So, and you could actually filter if you want the paid ones, if you want the free ones. You could filter, of course. Yeah, just right there. So coming to that, I just want to see some other things here. So which one am I gonna pick? Let's see what this is. CoinPay, FinTech. Let's open up Figma. Let's go over 22,000. Was that likes or users? Like people who've actually used it? It's pretty amazing, isn't it? Alright, so it's gonna open up in a little bit and we'll check it out. So I'm gonna go check out another one. There we are. Just gonna go back. So I mean, I'm just gonna review one wherever we go. So I'm just gonna check out one. Then you can go right in there and look at others yourself. Right? So let's check these one out. It's almost there. So we just looked at portfolio templates, mobile apps, resume templates. Already check these ones. Pretty basic stuff. You could go check them out yourself. Illustrations, icons, shapes, and colors. This is actually just to show you that over here, using the Figma community, you could get a lot. You could get a lot indeed. Right, so probably opened. Taking a while. All right, there we go. Here is a cover, and here is um light theme, and okay, there we go. It's taking a while to load up all the designs. And then we've got the dark theme. So I'm just gonna close this again. Let's go F11, and I'm gonna do this, and we're gonna zoom. Let's see what we got. All right, nice. So look at this. So we've got, okay, good. Um, so let's see. Okay, good. I think the person who actually made it. So here is a splash screen. You know what a splash screen is. And here is even onboarding screen. Beautiful registration. Nice. So if you just started learning React Native or whatever, you're into mobile development, and you just wanted something to work with, you just go started and you wanted to do something basic, practice. You do not need to, design the whole Figma, designs. You do not need to do that. Just come on here and grab something to work with. And I actually do think that other than going to Dribble or Behance, you may not find something as complete as this one is. So, I mean, you could find, but I think you probably will find a lot more complete ones over here than you would over, if you used Dribble or Behance. So let's check these one out. Alright, so we've got account setup. Nice. Look at that. I mean, it's a full design, right? So you could go code it up. Especially if you're just, practicing, trying to build a portfolio and, creating projects and stuff. Pretty interesting. You can use this to practice a lot. And even you could use, designs off of the Figma community platform to, come up with demo, you know, demo interface for your app ideas, beyond just coding up something for your portfolio. I mean, there's lots of beautiful things on here. Right, so, alright, let's go back. Okay, so there we go. So I do want to check out some other places and see what we've got here. So we literally just checked out portfolio templates. And then we checked out mobile apps. Alright, and also we checked out what else did we check out? I think just those two. Alright, so I do want to check out these other one, but let's see design templates. Let's of course here editing and effects. We've got file organization, we've got development. Let's see what's that because we did open that one before. So over here you can filter again by all products, plugins, paid or free. So if you want free ones, you can check it out. Check them out. If you want the paid ones, you could filter as well. Alright, so over here, look what we've got. So actually, did you know? Of course, but I was gonna say, did you know that, there is lots of ways, probably not so many, but there are ways that you can actually literally convert Figma design to React or HTML and stuff like that. If you do want me to make a video about that, drop in the comments and um, I'd find the time to do that for you guys. All right. All right, I do not want to explore here right now. Let's just go see some other things here. So if you hover over here, you are gonna see the whiteboarding session or section. You are gonna see brainstorming. So if you just want to brainstorm, you could do that, right? Let's look at that. Oh, I open it right here. I mean, but I'm not a designer, so we're just gonna get design templates, right? So let's go again. Diagramming, fun and games, team meetings, beautiful stuff there. Right, let's see presentations, startup page, product roadmap, more presentations. I actually did check all of these out before. Beautiful stuff. I never knew that we had a lot, here on the community platform on Figma because I'm not a designer, right? So I wouldn't want to update myself with stuff like this, but it's really interesting. Check them out. I'm gonna scroll all the way to the footer and we're gonna see these ones over here. So probably some things are repeated, of course, but over here we're gonna see most used, and you're gonna see that we have this Figma to React HTML. Now you could check all of these out, but if there's anything at all you don't want me to make a video or you do want me to make a video about, just let me know in the comments and I'm gonna try to do that. Okay, so over here, let's look at that landing page. I'm gonna open it up. Yep, let's look at that one, and the last thing I'm gonna look at would be the design templates. So this is the landing page design. It's gonna open up in just a little bit. Right, there we go. So look at that. Look at just this one. We've got 50 plus landing pages. Absolutely amazing. I do want to check it out, right? Open it up and check it out. And here we've got this. Right, and look at that. We've got SaaS landing page software as a service. Right, amazing. I'm gonna check that one out again. Alright, let's see what we've got. Now, there's lots of things here actually, so I cannot actually go through everything. You are gonna do that on your own, okay? But now you've got the information, so go check it out. So over here, 50 plus landing page designs. I'm gonna quickly go to Figma to check these out. So I can close this one. And over here, alright, open in Figma as well. I do want to do the same thing. Right, good. I can close this one. Alright, that one is going to open up in a little bit. And what I'm going to do right now would be to open the last page. I'm going to explore. And that is going to be right here, design templates. So again, you do want to build something. You've got a simple project, right? It probably requires a backend or not, but you just need a template to work with. You do not. Because I know how to do it, as front-end developers, you want to think about it. Hey, how is this gonna be? How is this design gonna be? You think about it, you go to Dribble, you go to Behance, you go to other platforms. Even way back in the day, you'd go through Google Images section just to find, something to trigger some inspiration, right? Anyways, this is what we've got here. So I'm gonna open this one right here, design templates. Alright, so we're gonna explore those in a little bit. Look at that, absolutely amazing, yeah? Let's check out this one again. Alright, good. Alright, there's lots of things here. All right, I'll let you go check these one out yourself. I'm just gonna see what's here, the landing page. Okay, so here's what we've got. Let's see. Okay. Not sure how to go over this. I thought I would have seen, something or a page. I'm not quite sure where to go from here. Alright, but at least we actually checked out some others, so that's alright. So over here, let's look at the design templates. So you can shuffle, you can filter, how you want it to be, free. Alright. You filter all resources, in all products. Well, let's check these out. Right, so I'm gonna look at what do I want to look at here? Let's look at this landing page builder for Figma. Right, I'm gonna look at a few more. All right, let's filter just only the free ones, okay? All right, because you might actually see something and might want to go with whatever I open up, and it might be paid, like pro. So I'm just gonna go with the free ones for you guys. And we're gonna go with files only. Figma design, okay? We don't want others. Of course, others are beautiful. All right. So what do I want to pick right now? This looks pretty awesome, so let's check it out. Okay. Let's look at that one. And I'm gonna try to load more. Click on load more. Let's see more things here. And I'm gonna look at this one. All right, there we go. So over here, we've got the landing page. It's a free template. We're gonna open up using Figma, and I can close this one. Let's see this one. I'm just gonna hold on for these ones to open up. Then I'm gonna open the other three. Right. And if you actually like the video, you wanna hit the like button already. Right. If you've got any comments, thoughts, anything you wanna say, use the comment box. Right. This is the welcome page. Alright, the components, the cover image. Okay, that's pretty interesting. You could actually start coding, right? You've got a template to work with. You have inspiration. You get on with it. Okay. Let's see what's there. Of course, that's the cover image. Okay, so these are the designs they've got. I'm just gonna put this in full screen mode. Take that off, and we're gonna have the hand mode. So look at that. Right. I mean, probably it wouldn't look the best, it's not the best, but you could still do something with it, right? Okay, let's bring it back again. Let's see this other one. Shopping websites, open it up in Figma. Now I'm gonna close this one and close this one. Alright, so it's gonna open up in a little bit. And these are the ones, so later you guys can go check them out, right? So I'm done exploring. So all you got to do is to go to Figma. Right there, you go to figma.com/community, and you can get right into it. You can search for whatever you want, and you're gonna get a list. You're gonna get loads of templates, of course. So here we go. So this is the cover, and this is the designs. Let's go there. Alright, there we are. Looks pretty good, right? Shopping websites. Good, you can start doing something, right? Working on a project, and then you can call the backend developer to collaborate with you, right? Good. So I'm just sharing with you guys, exploring together with you the Figma community platform. It's got lots of beautiful things that you want to leverage on, right, and use, okay? So over here, opening Figma, let's see that one. Just this. I can close this one. Alright, which one is this? Did we not already check these one out? Okay. This is the mobile app design. We can already see it, and if you go there, you would see it as well. Okay, so this is another landing page. Okay, software as a service again. Let's check that one out. So these are the two last designs we are gonna look at, and we'll be done for this video. Alright, I do want to see this one. So again, the website is figma.com/community. Right, I do not know how many times I've said that. Alright, so here we go. Landing page, in the pages, symbols, lovely. Look at that. All you've got to do is pick the one you want. This is really beautiful, right? Why not? You could literally do this. Pick in a landing page. Yeah, I'm just gonna make this full screen. Take the panels off, and here we go. Look at that. Look at what we've got. Let's zoom in. This is not bad, is it? Look at that. Check that. Alright. Look at this other one. Absolutely amazing. It's not bad, is it? Go for it. I mean, let's see this other one. So, you can do this. Look at that. Beautiful. Look at that. You could just get right into your Visual Studio Code and start writing code. Look at that beautiful card design. Lovely. I love it. It's great. And you know something beautiful is that we've got a lot here, not just one, and you can select and start designing and working on new projects and stuff. Alright, so again, we've come to the end of the video. However, really, I just want to be sure that we checked out everything we said we were going to check out. Oh, here we go. This one more. Let's see what we've got here. Alright, there we go, the landing page. That one is going to open up in a little bit. It actually looks like the one we just checked out. Oh, it is the same thing. Alright, so you do want to go out there, go straight to figma.com/community, and you can search for whatever you want to search. I did make a video previously a couple days ago, and it was about landing folio alongside other websites, just to give you inspiration. Go check out the video and learn about that one as well. That's pretty much about it. Now these pages you can see over here, the Microsoft Paint pages, I'm currently on a series on YouTube. I made a video about it a couple of days ago. You do want to check that one out as well. Alright, so but of course, yeah, that's pretty much about it for this video. I do want to say thank you so much for your support, and drop a like, share the video. And it's very rare for people to share videos, but go for it. If you'd like to share the video, go for it. But drop a like, subscribe to the channel, drop a comment. Alright, that's enough. Thank you for your time, and do have a beautiful rest of your day.